Welcome. July 10th, the official release. The official release. There's my man, D. Valentine. Can you hear me? How we doing out there tonight, IG? We were waiting for this for a long time. It's here. Just the intro music before we drop this hit. Birds Don't Fly release day. My man D. Valentine in the building right now. A lot of anticipation around this joint. What's up, IG? I'm Mr. Reynolds.
What's up, everybody?
Got my man D. Valentine.
Hey, I want to thank everybody for being in the building, for following me over from Facebook and being in the building right now. I appreciate y'all. I
can already tell, man, the sound is way better right now. Hey, that's what going live is all about, man. Hey, first of all, let me thank you, D. Valentine, for allowing me, Mr. Reynolds, to have the exclusive release rights to the hot new single, Birds Don't Fly. We're going to get into that, man, but I just want the people to just, get to know you a little bit, understand how you came about this song. But tell me, man, how did you get into music?
Man, I was born into it, to be honest with you. Like, my mother sang, like my grandmother sang and played the guitar. My dad, he plays the drums, so it was like the family business, you know what I mean? Like when we get together, it's like the Jacksons, you know what I mean?
Okay. So coming up, who was your influences, when you guys wasn't putting together songs and playing instruments in the living room? Who did you listen to?
Man, I listened to people like Michael Jackson, I listened to Stevie Wonder, even newer artists like Eric Benet and Kenny Lattimore.
Okay, Kenny Lattimore. Okay, Eric Benet. That's that smooth R&B.
Right. That's what we try to do. We try to spread love through music. You know what I mean?
Hey, man, music is a savior right now with everything going on. So definitely excited to be part of this new release, and we're gonna get into the song in just a little bit. So, Birds Don't Fly, man. That's an interesting concept, and what's interesting. I know people don't know, but you're a songwriter in addition to a singer. So you wrote this song yourself, Birds Don't Fly. So how did you come up with that whole concept?
Well, basically, to be honest with you, man, I was looking out the window, man, watching the birds fly by my window, and the words "birds don't fly" just came to my spirit. You know what I mean? And so I just thought of a concept around that, man, and I came up with this beautiful love song that I want the world to hear. You know what I mean? And I want you guys to go go out, support it, and to check it out on all the major platforms.
Okay. All right. So, man, I think they done waited long enough, man. I know it's been a lot of promotions going on. They done seen your IG marketing going on, and this is the day. So we're just going to go ahead and drop this joint, man. So
That's what's up. Definitely. And this
so IG World, here we go. And this is the new single for my man D. Valentine, available now on all streaming platforms. Birds Don't Fly.
tossing and I'm turning, wondering who's loving you, holding you, squeezing you, kissing you, girl. And I know it might sound crazy that you used to be my lady. Now all I got here lately is a picture in my phone. And the birds don't fly no more, and the sun don't shine like it used to do. Only the tears that fall like raindrops, 'cause the birds don't fly no more. Now I'm sitting here wishing, I'm hoping and I'm praying that you would give me another chance. Holding you, squeezing you, kissing you, and I know it might sound crazy that you used to be my lady. Now all I got here lately is a picture in my phone. And the birds don't fly no more, and the sun don't shine like it used to do. Only the tears that fall like raindrops, 'cause the birds don't fly no more. They say you never miss your water till your well runs dry. No, I guess I had to find out the hard way, hard way. Only you can bring the sun back into my life. No, and take all this pain away, pain away. Ooh, the birds don't fly. Ooh, yeah. And the sun don't shine like it used to do. Only the tears that fall, only the tears that like raindrops. Yeah. 'Cause the birds don't fly no more.
Definitely.
Hey, give it up for my man D Valentine. So, IG, man, we used to say America, used to say whatever city or state you in, but man, we worldwide right now. So we want the world to let us know what you thought about that song. Some hearts, some emojis, or something. What y'all think about that?
That's what's up. Definitely.
Hey, man, listen.
What's up?
I appreciate that song, man. That song is hot. It does go back to the old school R&B flavor. And then, man, for people that really appreciate music, I mean, you put a bridge in the song. A lot of songs these days, they don't have a bridge. I mean, let's just be honest. You know what I mean?
Indeed. Hey.
So when I heard the bridge, I'm like, man, this is a real song. And I mean, that's that songwriter coming out in. That's real R&B, man. So
Right. And that's what we want to try to do. We want to try to bring that real R&B back to the forefront. You know what I mean? Like that real love music, that real baby making love music back to the table. You know what I'm saying? Because I think the internet for real. I think we want to try to spread love through music. That's why I call myself D Valentine. You know what I mean?
hey, we already got people. I'm reading the comments, man. They say already going into rotation on a radio stations. So hey, we appreciate the support.
Indeed. I want everybody to go out and support it. You can find it
Where can they find it?
You can find it on all major platforms: Amazon Music, iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify, and YouTube. Definitely go stream that, buy that today. It's only 99 cents. Support your local black businesses.
Hey, that's what's up. So what you got next, man? What's coming up for D Valentine? You got the hot new single. Hold on, before you get to it, man, I got to read the comments. Mac Miller, where can we stream? Go ahead, D Valentine. Let them know where you can stream it at.
Yeah, you can stream it on Spotify. You can also stream it on YouTube. All the major streaming platforms.
All right. So what's next, man? I know this is your second project you got coming out. The first album was The Love Experience. So if you guys want to go check him out, some of his earlier work, be sure to check him out on that too. But what you got coming up next, man? Tell the people what you got going on next.
Well, definitely, we got new music coming. We got more music coming, similar to this one. You know what I mean? Love music, real R&B, real soul music. You know what I mean? We got more of that coming. So just be on deck. You know, be on the lookout for that.
And where can they follow you at, man, on social media? Shout out your social media.
Yeah, you can follow me at The Real D Valentine on all social media. The Real D Valentine on all social media.
All right. So, man, hey, listen, once again, man, let me just say thanks for letting me be a part of this and being able to drop the song to the world on the exclusive release. So we're gonna make our rounds. We're gonna be on Twitch at 9 o'clock, and you know, you never know, man. D Valentine might get in the spirit and say, "Go ahead and do an after party too." We don't know yet. We're gonna see how I feel.
Hey, Carlton, I was thinking like we should do an after party. We should do an after party, a real after party. You know what I mean?
A real after party. Hey, man, I'm getting requests. Hey, D, listen, we got some time, man. We ain't on Twitch until 9. They say they want to hear it again.
They say they want to hear it again. Okay, cool. Let's play it one more time. Let's rewind.
All right, we're gonna play this one more time. This is the exclusive. Yeah. Birds Don't Fly. My man, D Valentine.
Indeed. I appreciate you.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm tossing and I'm turning, wondering who's loving you, holding you, squeezing you, kissing you, girl. And I know it might sound crazy that you used to be my lady. Now all I got here lately is a picture in my phone. And the birds don't fly no more, and the sun don't shine like it used to do. Only the tears that fall like raindrops, 'cause the birds don't fly no more. Now I'm sitting here wishing, I'm hoping and I'm praying that you would give me another chance. Holding you, squeezing you, kissing you, girl. And I know it might sound crazy that you used to be my lady. Now all I got here lately is a picture in my phone. And the birds don't fly no more, and the sun don't shine like it used to do. Only the tears that fall like raindrops, 'cause the birds don't fly no more. They say you never miss your water till your well runs dry. No, I guess I had to find out the hard way. Only you can bring the sun back into my life. Oh, and take all this pain away. Ooh, the birds don't fly. Ooh, yeah. And the sun don't shine like it used to do. tears that fall, the tears that fall, like raindrops. Cause the birds don't fly no more.
Oh man, that was amazing. You know what I mean? Like I appreciate everybody for hanging out with us, man, for just appreciating good R&B, good music, good love music. You know what I mean? Like I appreciate y'all for just, tuning in and helping me spread this love through music. You know what I mean?
Hey man, you got a bona fide hit. I think that's bona fide hit right there, man, without a doubt. And it's not just me. Yeah, I think that's what the world needs right now, man. So once again, my man D Valentine, Birds Don't Fly, copied on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, YouTube, Amazon, and you can catch us at 9 o'clock on Twitch, and we might just roll on into the after. We'll see.
Hey, my
All
man.
right.
Thank you, Carlton. Mr. Reynolds. I'm sorry, Mr. Reynolds. Thank you, Mr. Reynolds, for definitely hosting this show, man, and for doing everything that you have done. I really appreciate you, and I just want you to know that from the bottom of my heart. Like we wouldn't be here pretty much if it wasn't for you. So I appreciate you on that.
Hey man, hey, I did nothing, bro. That's all you. If I could sing, I would have sung it, but I ain't gonna do America like that. All
Yeah.
right, man. So I'm gonna catch you at 9 o'clock. Hey, if you like it, go ahead and follow us on over to Twitch too. This is the July 10th, the release for Birds Don't Fly. We're doing it on all platforms, Facebook, IG, and Twitch. And you never know, we might get into the after. We don't know yet.
Yeah, we might
But
do a party. So stay tuned. Stay
stay
available.
tuned.
Definitely stay available.
All right, Valentine.
All right, man. I appreciate you.
All right.
Thank you.